For today's video, I want to share with you guys different ways of how you can tie or create knots with your headband or your bandana. The first one is going to be a rope twisted bandana headscarf. So I'm going to use 2 bandanas for this, and I will link these down below for you guys if you want to purchase the same ones. All right, so I'm going to take 2 little ends. I'm going to leave a little bit of the corners out, maybe like this much. I'm going to tie them together. This will just make it easier on yourself when you tie it around your head. You'll have something to tie it to. All right, it's good 2 inches. I'm just gonna use my teeth to hold the little ends together while I create the rope twist. If you have somebody living with you or you wanna hang it on something and twist it, by all means, be my guest. Easiest, just use your teeth. And then just tie the end. And I'm gonna put it to one side to kind of give that little bigger section at the very top and tie it on the side. I love this one because it literally feels so secure. It's very comfortable and it's really unique. It literally looks like a headband, but you made it yourself. Second one, we call this one the inner looped headband with 2 scarves. This is how you can create your own. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I put them together and then fold and loop, all that fun stuff. Number 3 is a partially braided headband. For this one, I advise using a bigger scarf, something that maybe has a little bit of a stretch. So this one is nice and big because you want something that will loop around your head at least once, and then you will braid that little portion. So I'm actually gonna take the scarf and measure how big my head is and how tight I want it to be. All right, that's pretty good. And then you hold it just like that. You measure it, and then you want to make sure these end pieces are the same length. 1, 2, 3. And then all I did was create a 3-strand braid. And this is kind of what you should end up with. Something very partial, very cute. And then this is where you can just have fun with it. You can use it as like an actual bandana type of look with the little ends hanging out. You can kind of tuck it in and just shove it around your head because we measured it so it should fit around your head any way you want to use it. All right, so number 4 is going to be a simple knot. This one is extremely simple. You take the scarf, you literally just create a knot. There you have it, super simple. Fifth one is a simple bow. And for this one, I would recommend a longer scarf because you want longer ends to be able to create that bow. All right, number 6, this one I like to call the Mediterranean turban head wrap. Number 7, we like to call this one the convertible look. If you have a fancy convertible car, this one's for you. I just need some sunglasses and a convertible car. Number 8 is what I like to call a flat knotted headband. Number 9, bunny ears headband. Number 10 is the classic headband. It's where you have the nice scarf and it's tied at the very bottom with the ends hanging out.
You're so pretty.
And that completes my 10 ways of how to tie your headband or bandana. I know there's so many different other ways you can do it. I just wanted this to be an inspiration to you guys that you can really get creative with your headscarves. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.